In this video, I'll be showing you how you can add a couple of fees to your invoices. I'll be covering the relisting fee, the add shipping fee, and as well a add fee for a line item. So first things first, you want to open up the invoice. And to do so, you can go into your auction list like I am now. Pick a closed auction. Once you're in the edit page, hover your mouse over invoices and then click on list invoices. And here's where you'll see all your invoices. And then all you do is just click into the one you want to edit. Let's go with this one. Right hand side cogwheel, and then you click on edit. So here's the options menu with the invoice. And the first thing I'm going to show you is in the middle column, at the very top is the add fee line item. So this is handy if you want to add a fee to a singular line item that's on the invoice and not you want to add a general fee for the sake of bookkeeping and tracking. You'll have a drop down list with the first off being a lot number, and you'll be able to pick from the lots on the invoice. You can add a brief description of what this fee is. For whatever reason you need to add a fee, you can type it in there, and then you can also add the amount. And then once you're finished, click on add new. You'll be then notified that it's been added successfully to the invoice and the line item. And with this fee and all the other ones, you'll have separate kind of columns that will appear on the invoice that are separate from the lots that will break down into further detail what each additional fee is. So in this case, we just added a fee to a line item, so it'll appear as fee and it'll be separated by a blue line on the invoice to make it clear for both yourself and the customers. So moving on, we have the relisting fee. So say a customer doesn't pay for their invoice after a certain amount of days and you want to relist the items, you can actually charge them a relisting fee. So once you click on add relisting fee, the box will open up same as the other fee. You can add a description and the amount. And then what's different with the relisting fee is that you have a couple of options that will modify the invoice once you add this relisting fee. The first one, if you click on do nothing, will not change the invoice at all. And when you click on remove amounts from lots, what this will do is it will keep the lots on the invoice, it'll keep the price breakdown, but it'll remove them from the actual total balance due, and whatever amount you add to the relisting fee will be added on. So if you scroll down, as you can see here, the total is 000 all the way down, except for the relisting fee, which is added on. And so now if we go in and use the third option for the relisting fee, which is remove all lots, and we click on add our fee, add the relisting fee, as you can see, the lots have been completely removed from the invoice entirely. They don't show up anymore at all. And the balance has also been adjusted to only have the relisting fee being reflected in the total of the invoice. And then lastly, there's just the add ship. If a customer or maybe originally didn't plan on picking up the item or planned to pick up the item but couldn't and requested a shipping fee, you can actually do so here. You can add a shipping amount, $24, why not? And in this case, you also have a shipping date. You can also choose to add a shipping date if you have one planned out. You can also add a tracking number to the invoice, and this will be visible for the bidder as well, so they can keep their eye on the shipping progress of the items, as well as adding a tax code if you want to add tax to the shipping. But that's also optional. And same as always, once you're finished, you click on new, and there'll be another tab that shows up here under shipments, relisting fees, and payments. So as you can see, they all add their own different sections into the invoice. Yeah, essentially all function the same way but serve different purposes. But that's it for this video. Thanks again for watching. All the best.